Hi everyone, welcome back to Lavanya Chemistry classes. In this session, we can understand the which type of questions are in short answer type questions. The short answer type questions are in section B. Before we are going to discuss these questions, I request all of you please subscribe and support. Now moving to the topic. The section B is a short answer type questions are given. The first one is states of matter. The lesson is states of matter. The first question in states of matter is give the important postulates of kinetic molecular theory of gases. And next one is state and explain Graham's law of diffusion. Deduce Boyle's law, Charles' law from kinetic gas equation. And next one is deduce Graham's law, Dalton's law from kinetic gas equation. Any one of the given in examination. Derive ideal gas equation from gas laws. We are know what are gas laws. Graham, Boyle's law, Charles' law and Avogadro's law. So derive ideal gas equation from gas laws. PV equal to nRT. Ideal gas equation is PV equal to nRT. And find RMS velocity, average velocity and most probable velocity of CO2 gas at temperature 27 degrees centigrade. This type of questions are that means the find RMS velocity and average velocity and most probable velocity, but the molecule is different or temperatures are different. So we are calculate find RMS, average and most probable velocities. And next question is like this 360 centimeter cube of, that means this type of questions are given in short answer type question in section B. One of the question is comes in states of matter. And next questions are in short answer type questions are in stoichiometry, like the lesson stoichiometry. Balance the following redox equation in acidic medium by ion electron method, like this acidic medium or basic medium. Any one of the question is comes in stoichiometry. And balance the following equation basic medium. So we must know how to balance equation in acidic medium and basic medium by using ion electron method. And next one, the stoichiometry, the mostly the problems are given in stoichiometry. That means basic balance the equation or calculate empirical formula and oxidation states, like this. So already we are discussed in the video I made, like this type of questions are in video. So please watch that videos also. I was given this that links also provide in the description. So the stoichiometry is the 4 marks type question, that means short answer type question. And next lesson is thermodynamics. State and explain Hess law of constant summation, give example with example. And next one is define heat capacity, what are Cp and Cv, show that Cp minus Cv equal to R. State and explain significance of second law of thermodynamics and state third law of thermodynamics. And what are the delta H sign conventions in exothermic and endothermic reaction. These are the mostly asked questions in thermodynamics chapter. And next chapter is chemical equilibrium. Derive relationship between Kc and Kp. Kc and Kp relations. Like this, these equations are given. And next one is explain Bronsted-Lowry acid-base theory with example and explain Lewis acid-base theory with example. These are the most asked questions. See here in Telangana state or AP state. And next one is the state and explain Le-Chatelier principle and apply same conditions following equilibrium, like this ammonia preparation and sulfur trioxide preparation also. And next one is define pH of the solution, write its significance. And also give 2 marks questions, that means a very short answer type question, how to calculate pH or pOH. In short answer type, in 4 marks question, that means the short answer type question, define pH of a solution, write its significance. And state and explain salt hydrolysis, discuss the hydrolysis in following types. That means salt of weak acid and salt of strong weak acid versus strong base, and salt of strong acid versus weak base. These are the short answer type questions in chemical equilibrium chapter. And the next chapter is hydrogen and its compounds. In hydrogen and its compounds, describe electrolytic method for the following: preparation of H2O2. That means electrolytic method is mainly H2SO4 by using H2SO 50% H2SO4 using to prepare hydrogen peroxide. And next one is what is hardness of water? How is hardness of water removed by permuted process or ion exchange method or Colgan method? These are the three processes by removing hardness of water. So these are important. And next one is the write a few lines of utility of hydrogen is as a fuel, and write a note on heavy water. Write any for reducing properties and oxidizing properties of hydrogen peroxide. These both are very important in short answer type questions. And explain suitable examples of the following. What is this electron deficient, electron precise, and electron rich hydrates? Electron deficient means the less octet, and electron precise is the octet configuration, and electron rich hydrates are more than octet of hydrates. These are important questions in hydrogen and its compounds chapter. And next chapter is P block elements, group 13. The first question is how is boron diboron is prepared, and explain its structure. Write an essay on the preparation and chemical activities of diboron. And next one is the borax bead test with a suitable example. And what are electron deficient compounds? BCl3 is an electron deficient species. So why it is electron deficient species? You explain. These are the P block short answer type questions in P block elements group 13. And next chapter is chemical bonding. In chemical bonding, the first question is explain sp3 due to hybridization with example. And next question is explain sp3 due to hybridization is an example for SF6. And next one is the sp3d example for PCl5. So these questions are intermixed. And next question is explain the structure of ethylene and state Fajans rule with suitable examples. And formation of coordinate covalent bond. Coordinate covalent bond is another name is dative bond. So formation of dative bond with one example. And next one is hydrogen bonding. What is hydrogen bonding? Explain the different types of hydrogen bonds means. That means intra-hydrogen bonding, intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So what is hydrogen bonding? Explain the different types of hydrogen bonding with suitable examples. And next question is what is meant by bond order? The term bond order means bond order. Calculate the bond orders of N2 and O2. And next question is predict the shapes of the following molecules making use of valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, that is VSEPR theory. The examples XeF4, BrF5, ClF3 and H2O. These are the important short answer type questions in chemical bonding. And next question is organic chemistry. What are the short answer type questions in organic chemistry? So the first one is any two methods of preparations of ethylene give equations, and explain position isomerism, functional isomerism or tautomerism. These are explain types of isomerism. And next question is Wurtz reaction. Named reactions. Wurtz reaction, Wurtz-Fittig reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts distillation. These are the important short answer type questions in our named reactions in organic chemistry. So how do you get benzene from acetylene? We know C2H2 3 times gives rise, it can be polymerized to give benzene C6H6. So explain the halogenation of or alkylation of benzene, any like this short answer step. So it is a short answer step. They ask us only some reactions only. And next one is how acetylene is prepared from following compounds: calcium carbide and 1,2-dibromomethane, like this. And how does ethylene react with Cl2, HBr, H2SO4, O3? Because each reaction carry 1 mark, so it is a short answer type question. Next one is write the corresponding equation. A, B, C are the products. Write A, B, C products. So C2H2 on hydrolysis it gives a CaOH2, and then it can be passed through a hot metal copper tube. It forms a C2H2 forms. Which type of compound is formed? C6H6 benzene is formed, and then it can nitration, it forms in nitrobenzene. So like this ABC products. And next one is describe 2 methods of preparations of ethylene. Give equation in reactions like this: ozone and cold alkaline KMnO4, like this. And next one is any following methods from benzene, nitrobenzene, methylbenzene preparations and its equation. Write a short note on distillation and chromatography. These are the important short answer type questions in organic chemistry chapter. So friends, these are important short answer type questions. Please learn these questions one by one and thoroughly, and write on notebooks. About my channel and subscribe and like us my videos. Thank you for watching.